Welcome to the South Carolina Preservation Toolkit. This video will demonstrate how to answer the question, I want to check the preservation regulations for my county. We would look under Tools, and we would scroll down to Rules and Regulations. So this database lists all of our historic preservation rules and regulations that we have collected from across the state. Often in historic preservation work, there are quite a few rules and regulations that you have to follow, specifically when preserving historic buildings. So we know that this can be a really challenging and complex process for folks to navigate. So our hope is that this database makes that a little bit easier. If you scroll down to the search bar here, you'll first see rules and regulations type. So if you know that you're searching for a local city or town regulation versus county versus state and federal, you can select that here. You can also search specifically by your county. So if you wanted to find, for example, if you were in Abbeville and you wanted to find county regulations in that county, you can search that here too. And then even broader, if you're not quite sure of what kind of local or county regulation you might be searching for, but you know that you want to find things related to cemeteries, or you want to know what the environmental legislation around a project that you're doing would be, you can search that here as well. If we search federal rules and regulations, you'll see what we have is the African American Burial Grounds Preservation Act. If you click into that record, what you'll see pulled up is a little bit more information about this specific act. And then if you click on this rules and regulations details button here, it will lead you to the outside link to learn more. If we search by if we reset the search bar, and then we search by topic, we can also search by historic structures regulations. And this will pull up quite a big list of different protection ordinances for historic structures. And because we haven't specified a specific county or a type or a local versus county versus state, we'll pull up all kinds of local architectural review standards, design board ordinances, and other regulations that govern historic structures in your area. So usually the easiest way would be to select your county and your topic if you're looking for something specific in your county. Hopefully that helps make rules and regulations a little bit easier to navigate for folks, and thank you for joining us.